Hello, this is Michael Kinsler here from Qtellwholesale Limited, franchise partners with Marley's Wholesale, and this is a demonstration how to use the admin side of your shopping cart. Now, when you get it from us, you either get it from Marley's Wholesale or Qtellwebdesign.ie if you've got an e-commerce website, and this would be the website which I'm on. This is it here. Okay, so this is what you have. So it basically controls everything on this website. So I'll just move that out of the way. So the first thing you need to do is you found that you've got a whole series of buttons and stuff you can click on there. So the first thing you need to do is actually change your password. So the first thing you can do is update your profile. You click it there. This web page is inside the server itself, so you can actually just work it out there. It's inside the server, so you're actually changing the password here. Try and avoid using this button up here to go back. I prefer just to click on the buttons and it will just actually show you what you've updated. So I'm going to change the password. So you don't need to change any of this here, so the only thing you need to do is change your password here. So I'm going to do that now. And then I'm going to confirm the password. Okay, and then every time you do is you save the changes. So that's basically then you've changed your password. You can see here your profile has been successfully updated. Now the next thing I'm going to do is working from the left to right on these top buttons here, which I prefer to use, is I'm going to add a new category. So I'll click on the add a new category. I've already done this already. So basically when you add a new category you just fill in the buttons here, but I've already done this, so I will show you how to manage your categories now. Just waiting for the web page to come up. So now we can manage all the categories inside the web page. If this is set up already by Marley's Wholesale, or if you've got a new website from myself, Qtellwholesale.webdesign.ie, basically you're adding new categories on your products. So you've got to add a new category for your product. So this will be the first one. So basically I'm just going to call it Z Test. That's what I'm going to call the category. And there's no need to work inside this box at all. As you can see, I've already done it. I've already uploaded it. So it's actually not showing there at the moment. So anyway, we call it Z Test. And then category ID is Z Test. You can call it whatever you want there. And then the header, which I'll come back to later, is actually what you're going to see up in here on your website. Okay, so basically you just add in here what you want to call it. I'll show you how later on what, the more you put in there, the more it will show up. It will only go to a certain point. The meta keywords, these are the keywords which Google will index your website. So each word then is separated by a comma. And this is what I've done here. I just put in wholesale, comma, sale, comma, demo, comma, list, comma, etc., etc. And then you can add in then what the product is. You could say it's a HDMI, output, wholesale, whatever you want in here. And same down here as well. Short description. Then you want to categories visible to users, yes. And then you can actually list subcategories on this page. Tick that one, yes. As default, this is not ticked, as you can see. Priority, you just leave that at number 5. And for here, you can add in more stuff. I'll show you how to do that at some stage here in different parts. So you can actually then add a picture. You're better off using JPEG pictures. I find they're fairly handy. And you should have your pictures already sorted out, what you want to do, your images. So we save the changes. So now we have this here. So we have the category already entered. So then we can go into manage categories, and then we can actually do all. That's it there. The 4 buttons up there. So we can add a new category or we can manage the categories, and that's basically about it. That's how you add a new category. And just to show you that on the web page itself, and there she is there. That's the category there. Just click on it. Just waiting for the web page. Now there we go. I've actually added a product there. But there's the category there. And as you notice there, whatever you write there, Z, test, etc., and then that will come up in your header. These are important then for Google how to see. Okay, this is Michael Kinsler of Qtellwholesale Limited, franchise partners with Marley's Wholesale, showing you how to use your shopping cart. Okay, thank you.